Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, we have to scroll down and find the apps. Let's tap. Now we have to tap on see all 95 apps, of course 95 only in my case, no worries. Let's tap on it and then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset app preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.